How to fix TikTok sound removed or mute. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix the problem like TikTok sound remove or mute. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that TikTok will remove or mute your video on the case of copyright issues using sounds banned in your country or using the sound that violates TikTok's community guidelines. If you are violating any rules, TikTok will mute your sound. Instead of that, you can use TikTok licensed or uncopyrighted sounds. After you are try to posting anything on TikTok, simply you'll have to just choose the right or uncopyrighted sounds. For that, simply tap on add sound at the top, and from here choose the commercial sound or TikTok trending sound. Using official sounds reduce the chance of them muting or removed. As usual, if you got any copyright issue, you can simply change the video sound after TikTok will mute your video. If this helped you, please don't forget to give a like and follow for more social media tips like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.